Beauty all around. My message today is, studies have shown true wealth and true happiness come from two things: the health of your body and the strength of your close relationships. That is what true happiness and wealth are. So if you're busy working on your career and you're neglecting your body and you're neglecting your closest relationships, I really hope this message helps you to think again. You're wasting your time. No amount of money will make you happy if you don't have really close relationships and if you're not healthy. Stop looking in all the wrong places. God bless you.